This is One-on-One Studio and I'm Hugo. Greetings from Istanbul. I'm at the Bosphorus right now. I'm not traveling today. I wanted to review my recent purchase, the Rode Wireless Me. I'm not sponsored or anything else. I buy this microphone with my own money. It will be a very honest review and I hope it will helpful for you too. The most important test is the iPhone microphone and the Rode Wireless Me microphone in the wind environment. That's Rode Wireless Me. That's the audio from iPhone microphone. You will hear the wind noise. I can't use my view of the footage because of the wind. That's why I invest money into these microphones. I think the best way to test these microphones is on the field. It's like 15 knots, so it's quite windy. Starting from why I choose this microphone. I'm solo shooting. I can check the audio levels by myself while I'm recording. It has a GaisAssist, so audio is not clipping or anything else. The windshield is, I think, quite nice. I will also make a DSLR test in my studio, back to my studio after these shots. Let's make a quick unboxing. After outside performance, I wanted to test inside performance of these microphones. Very convenient solution for indoor and outdoor. That's why I'm spending that money to these microphones. I think it's like $150 right now. I buy it from Turkey. It was in bit discount, but I don't know. It depends on where you live. I'm recording over my PC right now. The receiver is connected to my computer, as you see. Quite happy with this microphone. Then one of the main reason I buy these microphones is it's omnidirectional. I am making travel videos right now. I think for travel videos, the environmental noises need to be in the shots. So that's why I'm choosing these microphones. The receiver and both transmitter has microphones too. So if I'm a bit in hurry and I don't want to use the transmitter, I just connect my receiver to back of my phone and just shooting. The sound of this system is also usable, but I generally use this transmitter. If it's closer, it will collect better sound. In the system, you can split the audio channels into two. So left collects the transmitter sound and the right collects the receiver sound. Also can merge two. Audio quality is quite enough for me. I'm not audio engineer, but for my use case scenarios, I'm really happy. I shoot 4 videos with these microphones already, and the quality difference is understandable while you are working, and in the videos you can sense this quality difference too. The audio is as important as the video quality, in my opinion. Rode Wireless Me is quite good. You need to consider your use case scenario. Make travel videos, or if you need a wireless system, you can definitely go with this system. I will put test samples after inside. I will go outside again and show you the settings. Let's check how you connect these microphones to your iPhone and your DSLR. I can even use my iPhone microphone inside. I both have DSLR and iPhone and computer. I wanted a microphone which I can use in all of these systems and don't want to use the cables. But I buy this microphone for outside. Having this transmitter can give you a much more flexibility. You can just lay your phone somewhere and can talk while you are walking. You are hearing my voice from iPhone 14 integrated microphone. You are hearing my voice from Nikon D5200 integrated microphone. So you are hearing my voice over Rode Wireless Me. Once the receiver connect to the iPhone, I think the levels doesn't affect anything. But if you connect it to your DSLR, the level will be a key element. So I will also put the footage. You will decide yourself. I will try the settings. I split the audio into 2 channels, both transmitter and the receiver. Also windshield zone. It's quite windy, so I put the transmitter right here and the receiver back of the phone. That's the gain off, audio level low. That's the gain off, audio level low. The gain off, audio level high. The gain off, audio level high. Gain auto, audio level low. Gain auto, audio level low. Gain auto, audio level high. Gain auto, audio level high. The gain is dynamic and the audio level is low. The gain is dynamic and the audio level is low. That's the gain dynamic, audio level high. That's the gain dynamic, audio level high. Well, I checked them. For the reference, I will record from the iPhone 2. Wind is coming opposite direction. I will turn around too, so it can give you the idea. So yeah, let's try the iPhone. That's the iPhone microphone. Wind is coming opposite. If I turn, the microphone is under the camera, so the noise is worse. That's the sound of the iPhone camera. I think one downside of these microphones, it doesn't record audio inside. If the transmitter fails or receiver fails or the connection has a problem, the audio will be lost. Didn't experience anything like that, but just keep in mind. Rode recently released the Rode Wireless Pro, but it's a bit expensive side for me. Also, one important aspect of this system is it's very full package. That's one of the main reasons I buy it too. So I don't want to buy these connections. I want it to be super convenient to my phone and to my DSLR. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe for the next videos. I'm Hugo. Bye.